Hello everyone. In this tutorial I am going to scrap a dynamic website. A dynamic website is a little bit complicated than a static website. Dynamic websites use JavaScript to load the content dynamically after the initial page is loaded. So if a static website use fixed HTML content that doesn't change frequently. Scraping static websites is relatively straightforward because the structure remain consistent. If you can see the all list of name of the companies. It is the child number one. If you go to the pop-up menu of any company, this is the name of the company, is the type. This is the location upon company. This is the description, and I am going to scrap this name, type, location, description, and link. Some have 2 or 3 links, so I'm going to scrap only and the website link, not Facebook or Twitter link. So going to coding section, you can see this document on my Google GitHub repository. Import the required libraries, download the WebDriver and set the path to the Chrome driver. Go to the URL driver.get URL. This will navigate to URL. These are selectors. This is the parent selector. And how to sell the parent selector? Inspect this website. Go to the elements. You can see all these companies' name are enlisted in this user list. This is the user list that contains all companies information. So I have copied the selector. I've already copied that. Look at this. This is the parent selector. And this is the child selector. How to select a child selector? If consider this is all childs. Copy this. If you copy every selector of the childs, all are same except this numbers are different of every child's. It start from 1 to 202. Rest of the child's selectors are same. So the range start from 1 to 203. I skipped the 160 child because their page was not available. I got error when I ran the program. So in this line of code, click on child element. Go to the website. When I click any child, from the pop-up menu will appear. This function, this is the function of this line of code. Know how to select the h3p tags and link of the website. This is the information of company. So go to the website and go to the pop-up menu, inspect this. Look at this, the name of the website, ad.coms available in this class. The class name is body. Control F, how to recognize this. Dot mean the dot indicate the class. Class body h3 h3 selected. So this is the how to select the name of the any company, and if you type the P, the all P tags will select, and here are some have 3, some have 4 P tags. So you have to check how many P tags, and some have links 1, some have 2 or 3 links. So we will going to scrape only website link, not Twitter or Facebook link. Some have Twitter or Facebook links. So how to select the P tags? There are multiple P tags. You have to analyze the content of P, and this number indicate the number of P tags. I want to scrape the first number, first P tags. I checked, I set the condition. When I scrape all these P according to condition, and this will be append to this unique text, and then join all the text. This line of codes, scrap the link of all childs one by one and exclude the Twitter and Facebook. This is the dictionary to store the elements information, and this list I have already created this list. I'm going to run this program. Wait to load the contents. Run the main script. This will scrape the information one by one. You can set a range from 1 to 202. Check. Print the list. You can see all the information. This is the location, type, name of a company, URL, and make data frame from that list. I'm going to remove these brackets from the name and description column. This line I'm going to remove the brackets. Look at this. If you want to import an Excel file, you can run this script. Hope this video. If you find this video is useful, click the like button. Thank you.